Hi, it's me again with another video about another app that I runs on my Android phone. Now I do those videos because those apps that I speak about, they are very useful to me, and I think they could be useful to you also for your production and your fun and whatever you do with your phone, right? Now today I will tell you about an app by the name of Parallel Space. Now, when you hear the word parallel, the first thing comes to mind is side by side. Okay? So, in this case, parallel space basically runs two apps on your phone side by side without causing any conflicts. Okay? As a matter of fact, when you're running parallel space on your phone, it's like you're running something similar to a virtual machine, like, yeah, similar, not the same, but it's not like you're running a different version of Android in your phone. Okay? It's just a matter of running two apps in your phone, but one inside parallel space and another is on your phone. Okay? That is your default apps and stuff on your phone, right? So anyway, let's get on to it. Now, this is parallel space. See, it opens up, give you this nice presentation and stuff like that. It looks nice and interesting. Okay, now if you want parallel space and you want to use it, you can get it on the Play Store. All you have to do, you go on the Play Store and you type in parallel space and it will be there for you, right? So back to parallel space. Now, when parallel space opens, right, when it opens, you see that its name written on the top. Then there is this little button here, this little plus sign. You could click to add apps and whatever, right? But let's go back out and for one moment open it again, and there it is. Okay, so you have what you call clone apps. So you see by default Facebook is cloned already, so this thing could be cloned into parallel space. So if you wanna put Messenger too, you put a tick on it. You wanna put WhatsApp, you put a tick on it. You wanna put Chrome browser, you wanna put a tick on it. There comes Instagram, there comes Twitter, there comes Skype, there comes Gmail. So you have 9 apps you could put on your phone. Now, as the little message said at the bottom, is that you could only put 9 apps at a time inside parallel space. And when you're ready to add it, you just click add to parallel space. Right? Now you don't need smart lock and stuff. You could investigate that by yourself. You don't need that. Alright? So there we have our apps inside there. We have 9 apps inside there. Parallel space browser is default inside there. So you have 9 apps, right? So let's say you want to add more apps. You click that little plus button here, and then you go at you see all the apps you have on your phones, right, that you want to install. Right? Now let's say you want to install Office, right? You might need your Office, put it there, right? And you want to install Open Camera, you can do that. Okay, install your Open Camera and take pictures and stuff like that. If you want to install TuneIn, Uplifting Psalms Daily, you can do that. You want to install Traffic Rider, well, that is a game, right? You could install anything you basically need inside Parallel Space. So you select 6, you add, right? So all your apps inside here. Okay, so instead of that, you have six just recently going, then you previously put in 9. You understand? So you basically have 15 apps that you install inside Parallel Space. You could add more if you want. So if you want to add an account, you already have an account with Twitter on your phone, but you have a next Twitter account, you just put the account here. So Twitter opens up, right? Then you go to Twitter, you log in to Twitter, and then you have 2 Twitter accounts on your phone. Okay, now it's as simple as that. The same thing goes for Facebook and Messenger and YouTube and whatever. You might have 2 different YouTube accounts that you want to manage from your phone, so you can do that in Parallel Space on your phone. Then you have WhatsApp. Now you already have a WhatsApp account on your phone, so you might ask yourself, well, how am I gonna add a WhatsApp account on my phone? Well, there are 2 ways you could do that, right? If you have a next SIM card, you can take out the other SIM card temporarily, put in your next SIM card, then you create the account, then you take it back out and you put in your normal SIM card. So that account you create within Parallel Space, this account will stand, right? You'll be able to use it. If not, which I did and it worked, you can use a next phone if you have a next phone, and then when you start, you agree and you continue whatever you do. Well, internet is down on that, right? When you do everything and you put in your phone number and your country and stuff like that, right? What would happen is you will get a message, but the message wouldn't come on that phone. The message will go over to the phone where the SIM card is. So then all you have to do is to use the confirmation code and put it in your WhatsApp inside Parallel, and you go to go. You have WhatsApp. Okay, and you can do this for all the apps, right, that you want to use inside there. You even have a browser inside there you can use. You can put your Instagram account, you can put your Gmail. As I said, okay, you can do anything you want inside this app. As a matter of fact, as I speak to you, as I'm making that video right now, just about 5 minutes ago, Parallel Space were updated, right? And the update state that it will make the apps more stable, right? Stable inside there. So I think once you get in updates on an app, means at least you have some credibility. Okay, so when you do all this stuff, let's say you create documents, you have your Office here, you take pictures and stuff like that, whether on your account on Facebook, there is some place on your phone those pictures have to go. Okay, so how you get your pictures and your documents you create within Parallel Space, I will show you. So you go out of Parallel Space, you open here, you go into My Files, okay, you go into My Device, okay, and then if you scroll along here, see, you could scroll this whole thing, then you see this little thing here called Parallel INTL, whether it means international or whatever it is. Anyway, you open that folder, and there you see a folder inside Mac 0. That is like a root folder. Okay, so you open the folder and there you goes. So you have your WhatsApp. If you have your WhatsApp pictures, you could go inside WhatsApp and you'll see media and stuff like that. So it's just like how it will normally be, right? Okay, then, well, all this thing always happen. You have, like, for your games and stuff, you have the ob folder and the data folder and stuff like that. You'll always have that. As a matter of fact, let me just, you have no files in there, right? Right, so you have files in data and stuff like that, so you're good to go, right? So you wouldn't lose your stuff, you know. You could also move from, if you create stuff on in parallel space, you can move it from there and put it over on the in your normal folders and stuff like that. So if you have pictures there, you can put it. You have no files because I just setting it up. You have movies, you can do that. Okay, now every app you install inside there, basically the directories will be showing up inside these folders here, right? Then you have, if you download something to the browser, whatever, you'll show up here. Okay, and then you take out pictures, it will be there, right? You do alarms, like you have you create an alarm or whatever it is, and you just name it, that will show up there, right? So then if you have, let's say you want to move a folder, I could move a folder like this, and I could click on top here and I could say copy, and then I could copy to my SD card or back to my device, or if I have an external drive, I could copy there too, so you don't have to lose your files and stuff like that. Okay, if you create them inside there, you can also copy them out and stuff like that. Okay, so you have no problem with that. So I think that's supposed to wind up things for parallel space. As I said, if you want it, just go to the Play Store and type in parallel space, and it will show up and you'll download it. It is free. Okay, it is free and it works wonders. I love this app. So if you love this video, the video work for you, like the video. If you want to get more you want to get notifications when I make one of those videos or any other videos I put on this channel, you can also go there and subscribe. Okay, now you wouldn't be able to subscribe if you doesn't have an account on the on YouTube. Okay, you'll have to create an account. You know, I mean, I don't know what you want to do on your account, but please create an account and then you subscribe, so you will always get videos about different apps and stuff like that and other information. Okay, so thanks for watching. Have a lovely morning, evening, day or night, or whatever time it is in your area. Be blessed, be happy, keep it real. See you in another video.